Hi everyone, welcome back to another CHELEGANCE video. We are taking a look at the JNCRadio JDP-1730 DC Power Distribution Panel, a versatile power management solution designed for amateur radio stations, portable communication kits, and emergency operation setups. Let's open the box and see what comes included. Inside the package, you'll find the power distribution panel itself, 5 pairs of Anderson PowerPole connectors, 5 rubber protective covers, 1 XT90 connector, and 10 spare fuses in various current ratings. The spare fuses included 1 amp, 2 amp, 10 amp, 25 amp, and 30 amp options, allowing you to configure protection based on the equipment you're powering. Everything needed to get started is included in the box. The JDP-1730 features a rugged metal enclosure and a compact design that's easy to integrate into a Radio Shack, Go Box, vehicle installation, or portable operating station. One of the standout features is its 50 amp total current capacity, providing ample power for multiple devices operating simultaneously. The panel offers 6 independently fused outputs, including 5 Anderson PowerPole and 1 bending post output. This allows you to safely distribute power to radios, SDRs, antenna tuners, amplifiers, and other accessories while protecting each circuit individually. Another highlight is the built-in 2.4-inch color power meter. The display provides real-time monitoring of voltage, current, power consumption, and accumulated watt hours, making it easy to keep track of your station's power usage at a glance. For portable operations and emergency communications, having this information readily available can be extremely useful. Using the JDP-1730 helps simplify station wiring by distributing power from a single source to multiple devices. Instead of running several separate cables from your power supply, everything can be neatly organized through one central distribution panel. This not only improves cable management, but also makes troubleshooting and equipment changes much easier. The JNCRadio JDP-1730 combines high current capacity, independent current protection, real-time power monitoring, and flexible connectivity in one compact package. Whether you are building a home station, a portable field setup, a portal kit, or an emergency communication system, the JDP-1730 is a practical solution for reliable DC power distribution. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you in the next one. 73.